We all leave a trail online, digital breadcrumbs that tell our story. Every like, comment, and post is proof we exist. Being offline now feels like vanishing.
Sana and I were always connected, best friends, always messaging. Her online presence was constant, comforting. I knew her habits: morning selfies, cat videos, late night memes.
We expect instant replies, the green dot always on. Silence is rare and worrying.
One morning, I sent Sana a meme. No reply, just blue ticks. I messaged again. Everything okay? Still nothing. Her social media froze. No posts, no stories. It was like she'd vanished from the digital world.
We take connection for granted until it's gone.
The silence grew louder. Her absence was a cold, creeping feeling. I kept checking, hoping for a sign, but her digital life had just stopped.
When someone disappears online, it's like a ghost haunting your screen.
And that's when I started to worry. The digital ghost was real. Every hour without Sana made me more anxious. She never ignored her phone. This was wrong. I called her. Voicemail. Hey, it's me. Call me back, okay? I scrolled our endless chat, suddenly cut off, checked her socials, last post, her cat, last night. Comments piled up. Everyone noticed her silence.
The digital world was asking, but Sana wasn't answering.
WhatsApp was my only clue. Last seen, 2 to 17 a.m. Why so late? I messaged. Sana, please, just send anything. Blue ticks. She saw it, but no reply. The silence was a wall. Evening came. My room felt empty. I called her parents. She's probably sleeping, they said. But I knew this wasn't normal. This wasn't just space. This was something else.
The last scene at 2:17 haunted me.
I couldn't shake the feeling something was very wrong. The silence was screaming. I waited, hoping for any sign, but nothing came. Near midnight, my phone buzzed. Sana's name. Relief until I read it. Come over now. No emoji, no explanation, just a command. I replied, Is everything okay?
Just come.
This wasn't her, but I had to go. I left a note for my parents and hurried out. The streets were empty, shadows everywhere. Sana's house was dark, no lights, no sign of life. I texted her. I'm outside. Another message. Come in. The front door was unlocked. How did she know I was here? My heart pounded as I stepped inside. The silence was thick, unnatural. I called her name, no answer. I moved deeper into the house, fear growing. Something was very wrong. I crept upstairs, following a faint blue glow from Sana's room. The door was ajar. Her room was empty, except for her phone on the desk. The screen glowed, casting eerie light. Tap, 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 the sound of typing, but no one was there. I saw my chat open on her phone. New messages appeared, from her number to me. The phone typed by itself. My blood ran cold. I leaned in to read. I'm so glad you came. Another message. Turn around. I froze, terror gripping me. The room felt colder, heavier. I sensed something behind me. I didn't want to look, but I had to. I turned, heart racing. I turned and saw only darkness, a shadow in the corner. The air was icy, thick with dread. I heard slow, ragged breathing behind me. I screamed and ran, not stopping until I was home. I told my parents. We called the police. They searched Sana's house. She was gone. No struggle, no clues. Only her phone, still glowing. Sana was never seen again.
Her disappearance became a mystery, but her phone never died. Her WhatsApp status is always online. Sometimes, late at night, I get a message from her number. Just an empty message, a digital echo. The police say it's a glitch, but I know it's not. It's a reminder of that night. Sometimes her chat flickers, like she's still there, typing. The digital ghost lingers,